Add to the dirty clothes, and the result will surprise you. Snow white laundry, which you dream of, is within reach. Socks, t-shirts, tablecloths, or towels will regain their whiteness, and the stains will disappear. It's the perfect way to whiten and remove stains using a homemade method. If the stains haven't come out in the laundry and there are still dirt on the socks, this method will surely help you. It will also work for towels. After all, there shouldn't be any dirt on them. Check your white socks after washing and take out the ones that are still dirty or gray. Do the same with other items. I have a few towels. Some of them still have stains. Prepare a bowl and put all these items in it. Let me know which city you're watching me from today. Pour 2 liters of hot water. If you only have one item, 1 liter will suffice. Take vinegar from the cupboard and measure 1 cup. Pour it into the water with the items. Measure 3 tablespoons of laundry detergent. Pour it into the bowl. And finally, add 2 denture cleaning tablets. These tablets contain baking soda, citric acid, and other whitening agents. They clean and whiten clothes perfectly. Leave the laundry to soak for an hour. Put it in the washing machine and wash as usual with other white items. There will be no trace of stains. The items will be clean and snow white.